Okay, we're here at the Royal Ivory Hotel in the Nana district. Holistic travel guide here. I got here early around 11 a.m. No, around 10 a.m. actually. Check-in is at 2 p.m. But just as I was about to fall asleep on the downstairs couch in the lobby around 11, they came over and said, "Your room's ready." So I got an early check-in, I hope for free. Very nice room. It looks like I got a room upgrade with a view of the nice foliage out the side. It's definitely not ice cold air yet, but I'm gonna try and make some adjustments to the AC, see if I can get a little cooler. So the upgrade I got, the room I booked was 2 twin beds, and now I've got one, looks like a king bed. Not the cleanest looking sheets in the world, but hopefully they've been washed. And a lot of wooden fixtures, old wooden fixtures in the room. Coffee maker, actually I guess that's a tea maker. Yep, just tea. And they've got some chocolate cappuccino maybe. And the bathroom is in good condition. The bathroom is nicely renovated with a walk-in shower. And that'll be nice and refreshing because I've been traveling for 2 days and I need a nice hot or maybe even a cool shower. A little mini fridge with some drinks already stocked. I'm not sure if those are extra or if I get those for free, not sure yet. So overall, so far a nice experience here at the Royal Ivory. Go do a little tour of the lobby in a little bit. That's it for now.